Are you curious about how today's millionaires are transforming the financial landscape of tomorrow? In an era where wealth extends beyond traditional investments to encompass revolutionary concepts and societal contributions, a new generation of millionaires is emerging. These individuals are not merely wealthy in monetary terms. They are pioneers of change and influencers in the global economy. Their approach to wealth creation is reshaping industries, altering economic policies, and setting new trends in philanthropy and social responsibility. Now let's explore how these trailblazers are not only amassing fortunes, but also redefining the very essence of wealth and success in our modern world. The rise of the New Age millionaire. In our first segment, let's explore who these modern millionaires are. Gone are the days when millionaires were only born into wealth or climbed the corporate ladder for decades. Today, we see a diverse array of individuals joining the Millionaires Club, from tech entrepreneurs and savvy investors to social media influencers and green energy pioneers. This new breed of millionaires comes from various backgrounds, challenging and changing the norms of wealth creation. They are self-made successes, often starting from humble beginnings or unconventional paths. Their journey to wealth isn't just about accumulation but about innovation, disrupting the status quo in every sector from retail to renewable energy. These individuals are not only accumulating wealth, but they're also actively involved in reshaping their industries. They bring new perspectives, harnessing the power of technology and social media to reach global markets and audiences. Their stories are a testament to the changing dynamics of wealth creation, where ingenuity, passion, and perseverance can pave the way to immense success. This radical shift is not just a trend but a movement, redefining what it means to be wealthy in the 21st century. Innovation and disruption. Next up, we'll delve into the innovations and disruptive technologies that are the trademarks of today's millionaires. From blockchain technology revolutionizing finance with cryptocurrencies to AI and machine learning transforming various industries, these millionaires are not just earning wealth, they're rewriting the rules. This era's millionaires are the pioneers of disruption, often emerging from tech startups, digital platforms, and industries that didn't exist a few decades ago. They leverage cutting-edge technologies to create new markets or overhaul existing ones. Take cryptocurrencies, for instance. What began as a digital experiment has now become a significant financial asset, challenging traditional banking and finance systems. Similarly, AI and machine learning are not just buzzwords but are driving innovations in healthcare, transportation, and customer service, creating new opportunities for wealth generation. These millionaires are not content with following established paths. They're trailblazers, harnessing the potential of emerging technologies to create, innovate, and revolutionize. Their impact extends beyond their bank accounts as they shape the future of technology and industry, leaving a lasting legacy on the world's financial and economic landscapes. Social responsibility and sustainable wealth. In this segment, we focus on the increasingly crucial role of social responsibility in wealth accumulation. Today's millionaires are redefining success, integrating a sense of duty towards society and the environment into their wealth creation journey. This new era of wealthy individuals is not solely focused on financial gains, but is equally committed to creating a positive impact. We see a surge in social entrepreneurship, where business objectives align with social and environmental goals. These millionaires are leading initiatives in green technology, affordable healthcare, and education, proving that profit and purpose can coexist. Their philanthropic efforts are not just about donations, but about creating sustainable change, be it through supporting grassroots organizations, funding research for renewable energy, or setting up charitable foundations with global outreach. This shift towards responsible and sustainable wealth generation is not just a personal choice, but a new benchmark in the financial world. It illustrates a profound change in mindset, where wealth is viewed not as an end, but as a means to contribute to the greater good. The changing face of investment and wealth management. Now let's explore how today's millionaires are managing and growing their wealth with innovative strategies. In this era, traditional investment portfolios are being complemented, and sometimes replaced, by more dynamic and diversified approaches. These affluent individuals are increasingly turning towards digital assets, such as cryptocurrencies and NFTs, which represent the new frontier of investment opportunities. Beyond the allure of high returns, they're drawn to the underlying technology and its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. Moreover, there's a growing trend of using technology-driven platforms for investment analysis and decision-making, harnessing the power of big data and AI to identify and capitalize on market trends. Additionally, there's an increasing focus on sustainable and ethical investments, aligning financial growth with personal values and social responsibility. This evolution in investment and wealth management reflects a broader shift in mindset, where risk management, innovation, and ethical considerations play pivotal roles in wealth accumulation and preservation. These strategies not only provide financial benefits but also demonstrate a commitment to adapting and thriving in a rapidly changing financial landscape. Influence on global economy and policy. In this segment, we delve into the significant impact today's millionaires have on the global economy and policymaking. These influential figures are not just passive participants in the financial world. They actively shape it through strategic investments, entrepreneurship, and sometimes even direct involvement in policy formation. They use their wealth and influence to lobby for regulations that foster innovation and economic growth. For instance, tech billionaires are advocating for policies that support the digital economy and data security, while those in renewable energy are pushing for environmentally friendly regulations. Their influence extends beyond national borders, affecting international trade agreements, global market trends, and even geopolitical dynamics. This reach into policymaking reflects a shift in the power dynamics of the global economy, where private wealth plays a crucial role in shaping public policy. As a result, these millionaires are not just economic players. They are architects of the economic landscape, with the power to influence both current and future financial ecosystems. The future of wealth. As we look towards the future, this segment speculates on the evolving trends in wealth creation and management. The next generation of millionaires may well redefine what it means to be wealthy. We anticipate a shift towards more ethical and sustainable wealth generation, with a growing emphasis on social responsibility and environmental impact. Technological advancements will continue to play a pivotal role, with emerging technologies like quantum computing, biotech, and advanced robotics opening new avenues for wealth creation. Additionally, we may see a democratization of wealth as technology enables more widespread access to investment and entrepreneurial opportunities. This future landscape will likely be characterized by a blend of financial success and social impact, where wealth is measured not just in monetary terms but also in contributions to societal and global advancements. As we witness these transformations, the very concept of wealth and success is poised to undergo a profound metamorphosis, shaping a new era of millionaires who are as diverse, dynamic, and socially conscious as the world they are helping to create. As we wrap up, it's clear that today's millionaires are not just wealthy individuals,